Ano? Ay, Doc.
Kumusta si Jess?
Ayun po, nagkasingaw po
Dapat July
siya.
pa tayo ah.
Nagkasingaw po kasi siya, Doc, saka
Grabe.
nagkarasya siya.
Sayang naman. But you feel better, right? Tumaba na agad. No?
Opo, nagkaraman nga po ulit eh.
Kahawig mo na si Fajardo. Sila ba? Hindi Fajardo pala. Si Paundo. Sila ba?
Sino po yun?
Surname yun eh. Paundo. I forgot his first name. Basketball player. Pero yun, no? He used to be a practice player ng Petron. So, like half time, if they're lang maybe shooting siya, talagang walang mintis, so shoot up, with the mascot is trying to play with him. Shoot siya, kahit ang angle, he does this, he's so good. But when he plays, bench.
Bench player.
He's so good na. Pero bakit bench? That means the others are very good. Talagang walang mintis, so he'll just take two and then kwento, and he'll get the ball again. Kwento, tangan, sure, and then tira, konti. Walang mintis, so. Okay, sige. Let's hear rushes. I told you to do this, no? Fever rushes. So, palitan na natin, ha? Yung gamot, the weaker one. Sayang. Yan lang, wala na. Sigaw, marami.
Nawala na din po.
Pero yung FT4 mo, bumaba agad, no?
After 1 week, tumubo yung singaw.
I can decrease the dose or change it. What do you want? I'll change it weaker. Sige, ito. Palpitations, wala na, no? Yung pagkonting lakad, hingalin pa, hindi na, no?
Hindi na po.
Hindi na. Pwede naman basketball.
Hindi naman.
What did you say?
Nung pagkatapos po ng isang linggo kung umiinom ng gamot, tsaka tumubo yung singaw.
Kumakanta ba kayo? Hindi.
Sa banyo po. Sa banyo siya makakanta.
Kati, no? Take this for... Pahinga muna. Next week kayo mag-start ng medicine.
Apo.
The same, ha? Fever, rashes, sore throat, sigaw. May same side effects pero mas mahina lang to. In terms of improvement, mas mahina din to. 3 times a day. Throughout until I see you, July 17. So you start next week pa, no? July 8. I'll see you July 17. We extend it na lang. I'll see you July 24, ha?
Apo. After 1 week.
50 pieces. July 8, susulatin ko na dito, July 8, ha?
Apo.
Right, 3 times a day. 1 in the morning, tanghali gabi. Same style up. I'll give you medicine for your itchiness. Milligrams na lang. Next time. Once a day lang for maybe 5 days. Okay, Jessie? Yun Inderal, tuloy mo lang yan, ha?
Apo.
Okay? July. Dem.
Yes.
Ano, ang sabi ni Local 300?
Wala eh, oh.
O sige, CNN mo na lang. Once a day for 5 days. Kung wala nang kate, pwede nyo itigil.
Start na po yung doc ngayon. Yung para po sa rashes niya. Or...
Today.
Okay.
Para on the 5th day. That 5th day, basta July, to start July 8, ha?
Apo, yung isa pang gamot. Yung mababa yung dosage.
And I'll still see you July 24. Them might text you on the 17th. Dead ba mo lang yan?
Apo.
Them is Her name is Jim.
Mm.
So if she'll text you or call, ito yung follow-up natin, 17, please come, ganito mo na kasi automatic yan.
Mm.
24 tayo makikita.
Apo.
Okay? Questions? Hindi na.
Hindi na po, Doc. Yan na po. So, pag nagkaroon po ulit siya ng rashes, Doc, pa-blood test po ulit siya.
Yeah, come na. Yeah, blood test ulit.
Okay.
You have no more paper na for CBC or something na. When you come back. July 24 to July 32 na this na. TSH. What's your name? Jesse Luzon, right?
Po yung test. Dalawa po yung
Do it on 22 para 24 may result tayo. Okay?
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
I will show them na tatawagin ko ng
Sige, Doc.
Sige po.
The